To share location on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, you will have to open Google Maps. And right now, you will have to click on the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Then you will have to go for this sharing. Oh, wait a minute, that was actually not here. We have to go for the location sharing. That was my bad, sorry. And now you will have to actually fix with your location. So you will have to basically turn it on, accept the permissions, and now click on the new share in the right bottom corner. You can accept these permissions, click continue, and as you can see right here, you've got option to share this to someone, to your contacts, to messages, to the Gmail. There's like a lot of options to share, but you have to focus right here. You can share your real-time location from 1 hour to 2 hours, 3 hours, or until you, for example, turn it off. Then when you pick contact to share, for example this one, click to share, accept the permission like that, go to the settings, then grant allow all the time location for maps, go back from this one. Now just wait for the loading screen, and there it is. You've got your new share. As you can see, that's how it looks. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.